Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am planning on doing some reorganizing. I bought a new makeup. It's like a nice, really big makeup tray. It's a three-piece tier set, and I really want to organize where I keep all my makeup that I use every day. I have one that I use right now, and I just don't think it's the best. I've had it for a long time. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'll probably find another use for it, but for now, I just want to try to use this new tier one that I bought. So I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about and then get started showing you what I have to work with, what I'm going to be moving around, sorting out. And so, yeah, if you like project pan videos or you like empties or anything like this or the hauls, I hope you consider subscribing. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This is what I am talking about. This is what I use right now. And obviously it's overfilled and I just need a better way to use my products and find them every morning. I try to take everything out, dump it out before I can find what I'm looking for. So this is what I bought from Marshalls just a little while ago. So I thought I'd go and show you. It has three tiers, like I said here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start sorting this. I'm going to wipe off this here on my counter first. And I just thought I'd go ahead, take you along, and let's just go get started. So I'm just going to wipe all this down here. I did this not too long ago, but just because I'm actually going to resort this, I'm going to make sure it's really clean and a fresh start. The only problem with this here is it doesn't, I'm hoping that I can work it with it because it was broken when I bought it and I can show you up close. So I don't know, I'm going to have to try to figure this out. I really like this. I'm going to try to figure it out. I have an idea that might work. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. But for now, I'm just kind of cleaning around here. And hopefully I don't have to return that because I really do like it. It's just, I just was bought that way and there was no other one. It was the only one that they had. So I really liked it and I would want to get rid of it, if that makes sense. So I'm just kind of cleaning up here. And some of this stuff was my daughter's I got in my area too. So now that that is all cleaned up, I'll go ahead and show you what's in here and maybe start taking everything out of here and putting it in here. But I'll take everything out, show you what I have to work with, and come right back. So now I'm just going to go ahead, put this off to the side, and start organizing this right here. Right, so here it is, and like I said, it has three different parts here. So I think I'm gonna do, I have all these awkwardly big items here, and my first one here is what I'm trying to use up, and it always fell out. Yeah, I've got to find another place to put this. Oh my gosh. I have one of these things here. For now, I'm gonna see if I can make that work, and if I can, maybe I'll just glue it to it because I don't want to keep this, but oh my gosh, guys, it might actually work. I know that it's not perfect, but I think I can I'm going to glue that to it when I'm done here, and that's going to be perfect. It'll make it stay, won't make it wiggle. I think I found my way of keeping it. So, like I said, I am putting my eyeshadow palette up here, and there's some highlighters too here, and it looks like it's going to work out well there. I have this from Makeup Revolution that I'm working on, so I'm just going to put that in here as well. Let's see what else here. I'm trying to use up this one here from Purr, so I'll put that on the top. And I think I'm doing my foundations, things like that in the middle, so just keep that here. And I have a couple powders that I'm trying to use, so I'll grab those. And one is a pink one is just a translucent one, almost gone. So actually I put that up here because it is a powder, so I guess I'll just do that. I have some powder here that's kind of broken. It's a highlighting powder, but I'm going to keep this for now next to this foundation. And this is actually a setting spray, so I'll just keep that in here. This is a blush that I'm trying to use up, and it's a cream blush. It's okay. I like it. I'm surprised this lasts as long as it has on my face. Doesn't smear. This is a concealer that I'm trying to use. This is something I use every day. I have a couple of a plastic one, and I have one of these metal ones, and these are just my eyelash colors, of course. And my mascara I'm using is this one here. This is the Laura Geller Always There mascara. Just go ahead and show you. It's getting a little bit dried out, but for now, that's what I have being used. So I'll just put that here. I have a powder here. This is my eyebrow powder here from Anastasia. So that's what I'm working on. Keep that over here. Let's see, what else do I have here? This is a gel and it's kind of messy, so I'm not going to really open it up, but this is just a clear gel that I use with my brows. So I'm going to put that there. This is my Ulta Beauty Inner Glow Longwear Eye Primer, almost used up, but I think I'm going to put it up here with the setting primer. And let's see, I have a lip gloss that I'm using. I have it on right now, so I'm just going to put this here as well. And I have a face primer from Milk Makeup. I'm trying to use that. This is a great summer one, by the way, if you've never tried it. I do like it for summer. Adds a nice glow. And I have this here. This is my Lancome. This is an eyelash primer. So it's pretty nice. I have no complaints whatsoever. So that's what I've been using every day. So I'll put that in here. And I do have, I don't know if I want to put this in there or not. I might just keep that out. I have an eyeliner here I'm going to keep next to all of the makeup products. And I have some random things here, which I have to start using this. This is I should probably almost throw this or use it, I'm not sure. This is an eyelash serum you're supposed to use every night. And I keep forgetting to use it, but I don't know where I'm going to try to remember to use it. I'll just put it here for now. And then the rest that I have here is basically just like shavers and I do have one more. This is did I not put this away? I must have forgotten, or I didn't realize I had two of these out. That's how I had to organize this. I thought I only opened one. Evidently, I opened two. So I'm going to put that here. And then my brushes, I'm going to put on the very bottom. And it just makes it easier to wipe it clean every week. I change out my brushes weekly. So I think that'll be a good place for them. And I'm almost done here. And maybe I will put one hair clip in here because I do use them when I go and wash my face, things like that. And I do have a makeup sponge that I'm going to keep here with the actual foundation. And then the last couple things here these are just like shavers, things like that. So I'm going to keep that next to the brushes because it looks like it works out well there. And it looks like I'm missing one. I do have some of these acne like patches things, and I think I'll just keep it up here. Sometimes I do grab them before I go to bed. So yeah, there we go. I'll go ahead and show you up close everything that I have arranged, and I do like this a lot better, and I'm really going to have to glue that little piece down there so that it stays and doesn't fall over. That was the only unfortunate thing I had with this, that it was bought that way, but I like it enough that I just want to try to fix it instead of getting rid of it. All right, everyone, here's an up-close look at what this is looking like. It is so much nicer here, so much more organized. I have a few items here that looks like I have to get rid of in the background. So I can tell you what these are. This is like a powder it has to get washed. This is a washable one. I do have one of these. This is I should keep this here. It is a sharpener. And then this actually fell off of another it holds up my camera, things like that. So I'm just put that, I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet, but then I have a couple of things of garbage, but I did have a lip liner, which I haven't started using yet, but maybe I will. I'll just put it in here. Maybe I'll use it. So there we go. That's everything I have to show for you with this video. I hope you enjoy, maybe got you interested in trying to clean out around your makeup vanity, things like that, because I'm so excited for this. It might actually look clean now and it won't be as messy as it looked before. Thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.